Only problem, I bought it from a fake seller.
James Danner just walked over to my desk.
If you skip the first 3 steps, that's the easiest way to lose money.
Hey guys, my name is Ashley Kehr from the Real Estate Rookie Podcast, and I am here with James Danner from Heat & Danner Real Estate and ProjectRE. Today we are touring this beautiful property with great landscaping. This is my first time in the house. James, what can you tell me about it?
So this is a really cool equestrian property in Sammamish, Washington. It's on a over 5-acre parcel.
Wow.
Has a detached barn with its own equestrian 2-acre parcel right there. And then what we have is a 5,000 square foot farmhouse that we're gonna totally transform and turn into a luxury flip.
Okay, you guys wanna go in and see it? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video to keep getting updates, and let's go in.
Take a look.
So what have you done so far on this property?
So today is demo day, and then we also had a roof bid out. So actually our roofers are here right now. We're gonna install a standing seam metal roof on the barn and the house. So what we've done now is over the last 3 weeks, we've trashed the property out. We've done all of our as-built, perfected our plan, and then we started bidding for framing.
Okay.
After we perfected our plan, we started the whole demo to get everything open to where the framers can actually really fine-tune the framing budget, get it going.
So once demo's done, you have your contractors come in and just fine-tune their bid?
Yeah, because it's really important when you're bidding with framing, you want your framer to actually see what's going on. Because they could say, well, I don't know if I need to put a load-bearing beam in here. That could cost a lot. So we like to open it up so they can really narrow down their bid. So what we've done so far is we started getting kind of our floor plan and to feel kind of the concept.
Okay.
So when you came in the front door, one thing we wanted is we had these amazing big windows. We wanted to get the view open because we have this kind of rare piece of property. Like you can't find this in this specific neighborhood. So we wanted to overemphasize that. So
what are a couple things about it that is rare?
Well, A, the size.
Okay.
It's hard to find a 5-acre equestrian parcel in here. 2, it's got 2 man-made lakes in here.
Oh,
so
wow.
when the builder actually did this whole shore plot, he put little lakes in each property.
Oh.
So we're gonna trench those out and have them as focal points in the yard. These are just things that you can't, I like buying properties where no one can replace that.
Okay.
It's hard to find. So if you want that kind of setting, you're gonna have to buy this house. That typically turns into a premium on the property. Also, it's just a really cool piece. Like you come out here, you look at it, you get deer back there, bears.
Right, and we're not too far from the city.
No, we're only, we are only 15 minutes outside Bellevue. So people can live, work there, and then get away from all the chaos and be out here in their own kind of natural preserve.
Right, beautiful. Okay, so let's go check out the kitchen here.
Yeah, so one thing that we've had to do in this property, so what we're doing, we're getting this floor plan wide open, and then we're really starting to feel our spaces. So after demo, I like to finalize my framing plan to make sure we're actually putting this stuff in the right spots.
Okay.
So one thing we know is on a luxury flip, we have to have a much more expanded, larger kitchen. So we're gonna be able to go with a nice, big U-shaped kitchen, probably pantry cabinets over here, and then a huge center island through here. So we set up for hosting. At the same time, this is gonna be wide open, so you're gonna get the visuals out from all sides.
Okay.
So we can get a mud room. We're gonna kick the garage door into here. We're gonna have a mud room and a powder room through here.
Oh, nice.
So the spaces were just too big, and now what we're gonna do is maximize the spaces.
Let me ask you a question on the plumbing. So a lot of times people are afraid to move bathrooms. They say if there's plumbing there, then we got to keep the bathroom there.
Yes.
What do you
want to
think
stay on the wet
about
wall?
that? Yeah. Okay. So that's what you guys do too?
It depends on what kind of project it
Okay.
is. If we're doing a more simple cosmetic, yes, we like to. That's a great way to save money on your budget is to stack your bathrooms on the same wall.
Okay.
Because they have to run less lines.
I love this wallpaper though.
The wallpaper game is on point here. So as you can see, we all.
I like match it, I think.
There you go. Little fashion show.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's
So everything is too big. All the spaces, like we just saw the laundry and the powder room.
Yeah.
This bathroom is a 12-foot long bathroom here. So we are gonna expand it. It'll be a tub, toilet, double vanity here, and then we have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. One thing that we've seen in all the comparables had 4 baths in the property. Currently we have 2.5. So as we did our as-builts, we knew we had to add in extra bathroom space. So we did.
So this is the weird. So this is a weird room in between the two bedrooms. So like a little playroom,
It's like a safe room in between.
Yeah.
So we are reclaiming this space, and we're gonna put our closet through this section for this bedroom, and we're gonna put another back here.
Oh.
So we're gonna have an ensuite, and then through here, what we want to do is we're also gonna punch another door here. So we're gonna every bedroom in this house is gonna have an ensuite.
Oh wow.
When
Nice.
when you're selling a little bit higher end properties, it's kind of the standard.
Okay.
And so luckily we have really good spaces inside our structural framing to where we can actually move a lot of things around and not really spend too much money on our framing.
Okay.
That's
cool. Go and check up the upstairs. These windows here, what are you gonna do with those?
So the windows are the great debate. Right now, they're a 1980s double pane wood window. But a lot of our comparables are a little bit newer construction, and they're totally overhauled. So what we want to do is give it a newer feel. So we actually just ordered black gridded windows to match the farmhouse look.
Yeah.
We want the schematic to look really, really new on the outside. So this is our master suite as we come through here.
Demo
This is Ashley, our new enforcer. You guys, if you saw my job ad posting for Ray Donovan on my social media, Ashley actually
don't mess with me.
Oh,
yeah.
This is right.
Okay, so what are you doing with this layout here?
So the good thing is we got really good big spaces in the house, and that's always what I'm looking at. Can I achieve that huge master suite? And that's a big deal for luxury homes, right? They want big kitchens, good outdoor spaces, and like big master suites with a lot of walk-in, a lot of closet space, a lot of bathroom space. So what we're gonna end up doing, because we have about 500 square feet in here, is we're gonna reframe this all out and make it conforming to where we're actually gonna frame right through here, get a 5-piece bath, huge oversized shower, freestanding clawfoot tub to match the architecture of the home, double vanity sink, big 10 by 20 walk-in closet. So it's a closet for all your nice shoes. Yeah. So really good spaces all the way through. So through here, what we're actually doing is we're also eliminating this section through here and turning it into a flex space. It was already a bedroom, which a lot of people would be like, oh, well, I already have my bedroom, why spend money on it? Yeah. When you're going for a little bit higher caliber properties, you have to perfect the floor plan. So the reason we moved the bedroom, which we're actually gonna put into this section through here, so we can get a wide open flow space, but also we can open up this wall to where when someone comes in that front door, it's all about that first hop in. So when they walk in...
Oh, so they're seeing that wall is gone there too.
Yeah, then they're walking into 25-foot ceilings, natural lights coming through, and it makes people feel warm and fuzzy.
Yeah. Okay, so this will, will this be closed off here then?
Yes. So
okay,
we're gonna,
so that'll be closed off, this will be bedroom.
This will be a bedroom, we're gonna frame this in bedroom, and then we're putting in a full bathroom through this section here, another ensuite, so then we're a 4-bed, 4.5 bath house. We're gonna do a little wet bar strip through here. And then this is just gonna be wide open for the bonus kind of kids flex space at that point. And then this here is just gonna be kind of kids bonus room that we're gonna leave alone. This is kind of more of a weird space. For us to fix this is gonna cost a lot of money. So we just kind of play into it. Just extra space. Who doesn't also like a lot of storage? Right. So it's storage, kid flex, whatever they want to do. As we go through here too, one thing that we're having designed is we're having a custom metal fabricated. We're gonna go with a really cool farmhouse railing because we want, again, to walk in, tall ceilings. I call them FU features. As you come in, we want you to see the lot all the way through, the really special part of this property.
Well, thank you so much for showing me around the house. It's awesome. I love it, and I'm ready to move in when it's done.
Dude, you're welcome. You can take the barn, and I got the house.
So if I want to come out here, you're going to fly me out so I can check up on the progress updates of it as it's moving along? Well,
if you really want to come out, you can, or you can just tune in to my Instagram at JDaneFlips or our YouTube channel at ProjectRE, and we'll be posting updates once every couple weeks, problems we're having, layouts, design specs, and finish, and we'll walk you through the whole project throughout the next 9 months.
So, did you guys hear that? If you want to follow along this whole project and see all the great things happening and all the mistakes and how to get over those obstacles, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, ProjectRE, and maybe I'll just show up in another one again. Follow me on Instagram at Wealth from Rentals for real estate content, and also James at JDaneFlips, and we'll see you guys next time.